This is a complete tour of PrepareBuddy's admin tools. If you are looking for how to onboard users and set up courses, watch our onboarding video first. Here we are going deep on the system admin layer. Everything starts from system admin. This is where you control the whole platform. Your test pool, quality checks, public tests, diagnostics, reporting, and the tools that build content for you. First, your test pool. Creating and cleaning up tests at scale. Create all missing tests fills the gaps in a single pass. We recommend keeping at least 15 tests for every test type. Set a target, 5 say, and PrepareBuddy tops up every type that has fewer than that. A type that is already complete is skipped entirely. Choose the difficulty level you want, and create. It runs in the background, and it is the fastest way to get a brand new platform from empty to fully stocked. Bulk delete removes every standard test of a chosen type. That is the generated ones only. Tests you built by hand are left alone. And if you would rather work type by type, create individual types lets you set an exact count per test. Ask for 10 GMAT tests, pick your difficulty, and it builds exactly that. The assignment report shows what has been assigned to whom, the status of each one, and the analytics behind it. Contact details are blurred here for privacy. Advanced Analytics covers every test type on your platform. How many tests exist, how many have been taken, completion rates, and who is engaging and who is not. Filter it down to a single test type whenever you need to. Next, keeping the content itself healthy.
Quality control is where PrepareBuddy audits itself. It scans every test on the platform and reports what is incomplete, a missing speaking prompt, an empty section, a test nobody has been assigned. Test content quality gives you the detail, which test failed, exactly what is wrong with it, and a quality score. Anything flagged can be regenerated in place, and the issue is fixed. Nothing is hidden from you here, and that is the point. You can see the health of your entire test library at a glance.
Now the public side, free samples, public tests, and lead capture. Free sample tests are what a new user sees before they belong to any organization. Rather than landing on an empty dashboard, they get something to actually try. Choose which test appears for each type, hide a type completely, or create a sample where one does not exist yet.
Public tests take that further. Pick any test and make it publicly available to anyone, with no login required. Give the tile your own heading and description, enable AI Buddy for the people ticking it, and choose the color and the icon. Then decide what to collect, name, email, phone number, and whether to verify that email with a one-time code. And finally the call to action. After somebody finishes the test, show them a message in the button that sends them wherever you want them to go. It is a strong lead generation tool, and a very direct way to show people what your platform can do. You can run one public test per type, and for custom and adaptive tests you can run several at once to showcase different languages.
Every person who takes a public test lands here with their result and their contact details, and verified email addresses are marked as such. We have blurred the real data for this video. You can edit the public landing page itself, heading, subtitle, body copy, gradient colors, and set one global call to action that applies to every public test, so you are not editing them one at a time. It is the fastest way to keep your messaging consistent across everything you publish. Now the operational tools, signups, reporting, and diagnostics. Self-signups shows everyone who registered on your platform without an invitation, when they joined, what they have done since, and whether they belong to an organization yet. If somebody looks like a real prospect, invite them straight into an organization from right here. Platform reports keep you informed without logging in at all. Choose weekly, monthly, or both. Add the people who should receive them, and pick what goes in, billing statistics, test statistics, and the report is emailed on schedule. Diagnostic tests, a short, public taste of the full exam. A diagnostic is a compact version of a full test, 15 to 20 minutes instead of 3 hours. Pick the test type, choose the length, add your own title if you want one, and generate. PrepareBuddy builds the test, and a public link you can share immediately. Because it is short and public, a diagnostic is usually the first thing a prospective student ever does with your platform. Every generated question is yours to review. Open the test, read through the passage, check the answers and the explanations,
and edit anything that is not right.
On the analytics side, you see how many people started, how many finished, how many left an email address, and the level distribution across everyone who took it. Individual results can be downloaded as a PDF or emailed straight to the candidate.
Global settings apply to every diagnostic at once. Decide which visitor details are required, whether to verify the email address, and, this one matters, whether results appear immediately or after a delay you set in hours. And the public link is exactly what your candidate will see. Practice sections are standalone modules students can drill on a single skill, available to everyone in the organizations you choose. And finally, the tools that let you build content of your own. Custom pages let you publish pages on your own domain. PrepareBuddy.com/whatever you choose. Set the slug and the title, make it publicly accessible, and switch on lead capture to turn it into a form. Then the SEO layer, meta description, open graph tags, and structured data in JSON LD.
You can add sources and FAQs for search engines, and if you would rather not write the HTML yourself, PrepareBuddy hands you a ready-made prompt. Paste it into whichever AI tool you use, and it will generate the page for you. Or start from the built-in examples, a hero with a call to action, feature cards, an FAQ accordion, a full landing page, drop one in, and preview exactly how it will look before you publish it.
The custom test builder creates tests in whichever language you choose. Name it, pick the target language, Spanish here, and describe what you want to assess. You can measure against CEFR levels, A1 through C2, or ask for a placement estimate. Choose a familiar exam format as the base, or go fully custom and define every section yourself. Pick your sections, configure each one, audio clips, question types, durations, and generate. We have a separate video going through the custom test builder in depth, if you want the detail. Adaptive language tests are the quickest version of this. Either target a specific CEFR level, or simply ask the system to assess whatever level the learner is actually at, which is usually what you want. Choose the language, generate, and assign it to your students. Last, the day-to-day management layer. Test management is the master list. Every test on the platform, editable, copyable, and deletable from one place, with search and filters across all 13 test types. Global billing covers every organization, usage by date range, monthly invoices, per-user breakdowns, financial reports, and a daily member log. The configuration section is super admin only, so a regular admin will not see it. Platform Trends shows what is actually happening. Tests taken and submitted, students onboarded, and your most active organizations. Assigning a test is quick. Choose the organization, choose the test, or just a single section of it. Pick your users or a whole group, set a date and time, and assign. You can also generate a brand new test right here, instead of picking an existing one, which saves you a trip to the test builder. And Browse Tests is the full catalog of everything available to you, ready to preview, launch, or assign to a student. That is the complete admin toolkit, your test pool, quality control, public tests, and lead capture, diagnostics, content building, billing and reporting. Watch our onboarding video for setting up organizations and students, and get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.